star-spangled danger at this Colorado fireworks show. Up to 20,000 spectators gathered for the annual Avon holiday display last night when this happens. The rockets shooting toward the crowd instead of the sky after a rack of shells tipped over during the show, at least 9 people injured. A similar incident 2 years ago north of LA, injuring 36 people. Oh my God! The fireworks hitting spectators like shrapnel. It's the nightmare pyrotechnic expert H.H. Hansen is hoping to avoid tonight as he makes safety checks ahead of the Rose Bowl celebration.
Well, obviously it's fairly disastrous for the whole industry. You know, we all suffer when there's a tragic accident like that.
It's not just big displays, individual fireworks causing serious damage as well. Most injuries occurring to the hands and facial area. Eye injuries have even doubled in the last few years.
It's a one day a year that adults, we watch them hand a sparkler that can reach 1,200 degrees to a young child and tell them to go have fun.
Tonight, the 9 people hurt in that Colorado incident are said to be suffering minor injuries, including abrasions. The experts say these mortars are packed with so much explosives. They do everything they can to make sure these do not come in contact with the public.
And as millions of Americans